Hey guys, it's old Zaster here.
I'm Girls Craft. I'm Girls Craft.
Alright, so today we're mixing some sauces. Guess that's the thing. So, we already got half of it done. We got teriyaki sauce, pickle juice, and a little tiny bit of mayonnaise. Now we're doing syrup. Remember, don't call me by name.
You just got made. we could have used that.
You guys are never going to see my face, so I hope you guys know that.
I think it's gonna be too watery.
I'm not showing you guys my face. Yes, it's gonna be way too watery, but it's gonna be like a juice.
Yeah.
Which means you gotta drink it.
And it's gonna be disgusting. In case we have a little bit of tea for all three of us.
This is with tea?
No, for us to drink.
Alright.
A little bit for three of us. Everything's
yeah. Can you pull over the trash can next to me? Because I'm probably gonna spit this out. I have a really bad thing about that. Okay, then don't. Can you
Here,
get like...
here, I'll bring my little trash can. Hold on, I'll be back.
Look at me, expert cooker, all by myself. I can do it, Mommy! Uh-oh, my camera's going dead. I'm recording two cameras at once. One is mine and one is Arthur.
Don't spit it out, Sadie, okay? I'll try not to. If you do, go to this trash can. My name.
What? Alright.
It's okay for you.
Okay.
You're never gonna do a video anyways.
Are you sure you want to dump it in with tea?
No, I didn't say dump it in. Yeah. You put a little in there, but it's gonna be way too water.
I'm gonna take a sip out of camera because it might show my face. Trust me, though, I'm going to sip it.
Just in case we have a trash can.
Yeah, so we don't like it. Just bleh. Oh God, I look really weird trying to take this thing off. Here we go. Here we go, guys. I don't want to do it. It just smells horrible.
Cameras, get over next to the trash can. Me too.
It tastes like throw up caramel.
I guess.
I didn't even take that big of a sip.
Hold on.
I didn't even sip it. It went. I just touched it with my tongue. It tastes like freaking throw up. Doesn't it?
It tastes like caramel.
It is like caramel throw up.
Okay. That is a glass.
Oh man, I gotta.
It tastes like caramel throw up.
That's what I said.
It tastes like pickled caramel throw up.
Whoa,
What does it taste like, Sadie?
Whoa, that camera fell. Well, kids, don't try this at home.